What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Today, we're going to be talking about the strategy, the only strategy that you need, that one setup to pass any prop challenge, to be consistently profitable, increase your win rate, no daily bias, and get more consistent in your trading, take it to another level. And what I preach all the time is one setup, one pair, one time frame, one model, okay? One trade. That's all you need, okay? So let's get into this video. All right, so the pairs that you can trade this strategy on are going to be Euro USD. Let's see here. Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS 100, and S&P 500, okay? This works in all markets, futures, Forex, options, you name it, okay? We're going to be trading the New York session from 10 to 11 a.m., okay? You can trade this 9:30 to 11 is going to be the whole range, but more specifically, if you really want to sniper in on these entries in this model, it's going to be 10 to 11 a.m. Okay, we're going to be waiting for some sort of sweep of liquidity. Market structure shift, a fair value gap on the 5-minute or 1-minute time frame. Okay, using higher time frame confluence, top down. Okay, work your way from the daily to the 5-minute, and then look for your entries down on the 5-minute or 1-minute. Okay, our entries are going to be in the fair value gap. Okay, so this is our strategy. All right, so market's going to come up. Okay, it's going to take liquidity. It'll create a swing low, a failure swing high, market structure shift, breaking that swing low with lots of momentum, creating a fair value gap. We're going to enter on that fair value gap, and we're going to target 5 points or a sell side liquidity beneath. This being all of our liquidity built up, right? So there's lots of buy stops here. So our fair value gap should be in this displacement leg here. Entry stops will be 5 points. Okay. So our take profit, 5 points, sometimes 10 if we can trail. And our stop loss will be 5 points. This is on S&P 500. Okay, this is the main pair that I trade. Okay, on NAS, I believe it's 20 pips, or I think it's 40 pip stop loss, 40 pip take profit. Okay, on Euro USD is going to be 15 pip TP and stop loss. Same thing for GU and stop loss. GU will be GU will be 15 pips as well for take profit and stop loss. Okay, only risk half. Come on, keyboard. Only risk half to 1% per trade. Okay, 1 to 2 trades max. Okay, if you take 2 losses, be done. If you win 1, be done. All right. So I'm going to show you this week so far with trading this strategy. This is the silver bullet. Okay. This was on Monday. Okay. So on Monday, we had the London highs here at 340. Price at 9:30 open took out liquidity, created this push down. Okay. Entered here. If we drop down to the 1 minute, there's a 1 minute entry, and boom, 10 points. Okay. That was Monday. Did that live. Go to Tuesday. Okay. We drop down into this higher time frame, volume imbalance from the daily. Okay. If you want to go back and look at this, was August 8th, 2023. Here at 10 a.m. We bounced there. We had this market structure shift on the 1 minute entry here. If we drop down to the 1 here, boom for 5. Okay. Took our 5 and got done. That was 2 wins this week. Okay. And last week, I believe. All right. So here's a secret tip. I'm going to tell you guys. Okay. This is going to be a secret. Not everyone trades a silver bullet this way. All right. You don't always have to wait for a sweep of liquidity. It can be a continuation. Okay. Not every day is a reversal day. That being said, you want to use the higher time frame for your draw on liquidity. Okay. For me, the draw on liquidity this day, Wednesday, August 9th, 2023, was the consequent encroachment of this daily wick. So when we were pushing down here, my idea was, and the draw on liquidity was 50% of this daily wick. Okay. So don't take my word for it. Go back and look at it from the daily time frame. Okay. There's a 1 minute fair value gap. We entered in off of here, and boom, took our 10 points there. Okay. So again, 5 points is all you need for the take profit. 1, bounced off of that volume imbalance again. Okay. The PM session gave you a nice last hour of trading setup, right? Came back up towards this liquidity in the morning, slightly took out 10 a.m.'s high, shifted down, 5 minute fair value gap, just like our example I gave you at the beginning of the video. 5 minute fair value gap, boom, way more than 5 points there. Okay. We go to Thursday. Okay. We had this big push up, took out all these highs over here from Wednesday. We took out Wednesday's highs. This was previous day, Monday's high, okay, that we had delineated, that we swept that day. Okay. So old lows, old highs, relatively equal highs, equal lows, even fair value gaps. These are all liquidity sweeps, forms of liquidity sweeps. Okay. So we took liquidity, shifted down, entry off the 1 minute here, boom, 10 points there. Okay. That's another example. Here's another one we took. Okay. Here's another tip for you that not everyone teaches with a silver bullet. Okay. Not everyone's going to be showing you stuff like this. You can also use a fair value gap that's outside of the 10 to 11 a.m. time frame. For example, we had this 5 minute here from 12:50, okay, p.m. Boom, afternoon session, straight drop. Okay. So there was 2 setups right there in that day on Thursday. Okay. So using this fair value gap outside of the PM session, which is from 2 to 3, last hour of trading, boom. Okay. Here we have a Friday example. Okay. 2 this was two scenarios you could have taken last Friday. Okay, we have this bullish breaker. Okay, these last two up close candles right here. Make this the breaker. Okay, we have this low, high, lower low. See how these bodies close lower than these two? So these last two up close candles in between this structure of a low, high, lower low. Once we close above it here, these last two candles become a breaker. Okay, so you drag this box out. And when you pair it with a fair value gap inside of the silver bullet window, this becomes your unicorn setup. This is one of the strongest confirmations and setups there is, right? So you could have taken this off of either the top of the fair value gap or inside of this bullish breaker here, which tapped just the high of this close, just a little bit inside, and boom, you could have taken targeted this gap up here or these equal highs here for buy side. Okay. Now, again, we could have taken this entry here at the end of the silver bullet. We got a 5-minute structure shift down, fair value gap, just tapped in, boom, for your 10 there. Okay. Then again, in the afternoon on Friday, another 5-minute, boom, and another 5 points there. Okay, let's go to Monday. I didn't trade. That day was our bootcamp class. Again, if you're interested in trading with me live, taking these trades with me live, click the link below. Okay, get the Discord mentorship. It's still on lifetime for $50, $49.99, not even $50. Okay, it's going to go up to 100 a month. I should be charging more. Right now we're on a 6-win streak. Okay, on Mondays we have a boot camp. Okay, this next one starts on September 4th. So it's more of a one-on-one deep dive on the silver bullet concepts, ICT concepts. So if you want to get in on that, that's a one-time payment. But if you get into the mentorship and you get into the Discord, there's a discount code inside of the Discord for the boot camp. Okay, so that's for Discord mentorship members only. Again, if you want to get in the Discord here, if we look at some of our testimonials, I mean, man, helping her pass 50K. I mean, this one's amazing. Just helping people, people pass. Look, we just had this guy he says, woohoo, got it this morning's live session. Thank you so much for all your help, Andrew Capital. He passed his prop firm challenge, 50K trade of 8, another one. People passing 50K. Let's see, I have another one in here. Buddy of mine. Officially funded trader for the first time again. Brother, thank you for your knowledge. Just passed my 10K second phase. So he's inside of the Discord as well. So, I mean, tons and tons of value inside of the Discord for $50, right? Cheaper than a pair of shoes. Look at this one today. This was today. Hit your low of the day. Great call. We took this win this morning here, locked in. So another one, 550 for the day. So 2 p.m. wins. One morning, another win on yesterday. So wins. Another 995. Everyone's winning in here. So took this 5 points secured on the 15th. Anyone else catch this with me? I asked. NG got 5 points. Leslie got hers. Gio got his. So we're all winning in here. We do this live Tuesday through Thursday. So get into the mentorship. Learn from me. Let me help you, coach you. And these are all trades that I'm showing you guys here. I mean, we take them here. Look, in the last 6 days, I'm up $3,000 on the 50K per dia capital account. All right. So we take these live. This was this Tuesday. market structure shift, entered off of this down here, this gap in here, 10 points. Wednesday, we took this buy for a quick 5 and we're done. Okay. This morning, took this entry off a 1 minute in here. Could have taken it off of this 15-minute or this 1 minute gap in here. And we were out with our 5 points here. I called the Asia low. This was sell side liquidity, low of the day, and it hit our new week opening gap down here, which I call live. If you don't believe me, let me pull up the video here and I'll show you a recording of it live today. Okay, so this was that 1 minute gap here where we entered. Initial draw and liquidity down here. If you look, Asia low. Okay, we're just being patient, letting the trade run here. Take profit 1 for 5 points is right there. I believe I ended up moving my take profit up to the 5 just to secure the profits and be done for the day. This was post FOMC, so the markets were very choppy in here, but our draw and liquidity was lower. Okay, so I moved my stops to here, 5 points for 500. Boom,
there we go.
Right there.
Take our 5 and go.
Exactly.
Let's go. All right, another 5 live. About that with me. I'm on the team here in the community. So definitely heading for that Asia low there.
Look at the time in the corner, 7:37 a.m. this morning, 8/17/2023. Okay, so we do this live, guys. All right, so be sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe if you're interested on taking your trading to the next level. Take these trades with me live. Get in the mentorship down below before the price increases. And until next time, guys, trade safe.